Brake pads. They are a crucial component on your vehicle, and keeping them in a working condition is important for the safety of you and other drivers around you. So when should you change your brake pad? Let's start today's video. Brake pads are crafted out of different materials, and since they absorb heat and energy during braking, they take a lot of wear. This is why brakes require a periodic inspection and a preventative maintenance, and as per the owner's manual or recommended by us based upon vehicle usage. Kia genuine parts are designed and engineered specifically for your Kia vehicle for trouble-free driving. Always ask for Kia genuine parts. Here is a common sign: it's time to replace your brake pads. If your brake pads are near the end of their life, the first symptom you'll begin to notice is a squeaking or squealing noise when the brakes are being engaged. If you are experiencing a squealing or grinding noise while applying pressure to the brake pedal, your brake pads need to be replaced. If you have any questions related to any brake issue, please contact us today. Your safety is our priority. At 433 Bishop Drive, Fredericton Kia. Don't just dream it, drive it.
Fredericton Kia. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out all of our social media, and visit our website at frederictonkia.com.